Choo 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 choo, here we go, down the tracks where colors glow. Hop aboard and sing along, it's the rainbow color train song. A red car. Red car rolling down the track. Click, clack, click, clack. Open the door and what jumps out? Red things dancing all about. Live a red apple in a red little car, a bright red heart. Red, 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 hooray! Let's ride on our way. And a light wall. Orange car shining bright and warm, glowing like a sunny dawn. Open the door and take a peek. Orange things pop every week. One honey go see. I'm a tiny fox, an orange ball. Orange, orange, come and play. Let's keep rolling today. Yeah, far. Yellow car sunny, full of cheer, bright like sunshine in the air. Open the door and look inside. Yellow things appear with pride. But a smiling sun, yeah, and a baby chick, a yellow star. Yellow, yellow, hip hooray! On the rainbow track we stay. Green car. Green car rolling through the trees, waving in the gentle breeze. Open the door. 1, 2, 3. Green things pop out happily. Yellow a green apple. Yellow a cute turtle. Get a leafy sprout. Green, green every day. Rainbow train, we're on our way. Play blue car. Blue car floating like the sea. Blue sky smiling over me. Open the door, look who's here. Blue things popping far and near. Toodle-oo-valooing, sad a friendly wail. The tiny blue car, blue, blue, bright and true. Rainbow train is riding through. Purple car. Purple car sparkles as it glides. Magic color on all sides. Open the door and what appears? Purple things with happy cheers. Here are purple grapes and a unicorn, nor the purple heart. Purple, purple, what of you? Rainbow train is almost through. All the colors in a line, shining bright and looking fine. Red and orange, yellow too.